Welcome back, my friends. We are back with another work from home job lead. This one is from ABB Optical Group, and they are hiring an order entry representative to provide total support to their customers when placing orders for their optical products. So, this will include some customer service to it. And this is remote within the United States. Now, the links to everything, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below. And if this job lead is not for you, please leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping a lookout. Before the order entry representative, they are looking for someone to answer inbound calls and emails from the customers. You'll then enter the customer orders into the computer system, and you'll make outbound phone calls to follow up as appropriate. You'll be processing various types of optical product orders within the appropriate deadlines. So maybe they're ordering glasses, maybe they're ordering contact lenses. You'll be placing those orders into the designated ordering system, and then to the customers, you'll provide order status, shipping information, and associated fee structure to the customers as needed. You will also have to do some research internally and externally to help the customers with any inquiries they have and provide problem-solving resolutions to them and giving them the most up-to-date information. Now, of course, a bachelor's degree are always preferred, but it is not required. It only requires a high school diploma or equivalent. You do need to know how to use a Windows-based PC. You also need to know how to use the Microsoft Office Windows applications such as Excel and Word. You need to have great communication skills, be a problem solver, and be able to multitask. If that sounds like you, they do provide paid training. Training is going to be 4 to 6 weeks, and you will be training virtually, and they will make you have your webcam on during the training period. Training hours are going to be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. The regular schedule you'll be working is 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. They are looking to have people start by February 13th of 2023, and they are starting you off at $17 an hour. All right, sharing is always caring, so if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please like this video, share with your friends and family so we can all be working from home. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.